Okay, so 29, negative 4 times parentheses r plus 6, close parentheses, equals negative 63. What do we have to do? Just like the rest of those that we were doing earlier, we're distributing this through to both parts, okay? So negative 4 times r, negative 4r. Negative 4 times 6, negative 24. Negative 4r minus 24 equals negative 63. Now we just have to start undoing the order of operations. We have to undo this minus 24 with a plus 24 both sides. So we rewrite everything that's there, negative 4r minus 24, and then we follow it up with plus 24, equals negative 63 plus 24. Okay? And now we're simplifying. These two parts go away. They cancel each other out, and we're left with negative 4r. These two combine to be negative 39. And do the math on the side if you're not sure. So negative 4r equals negative 39. What's happening to r is being multiplied by negative 4. So we need to undo that with divided by negative 4. And we divide this by negative 4 as well. These turn into 1r. And the negatives cancel out. Okay? But 39 and 4 have nothing that you can divide top and bottom by. So we can just call it r equals 39 over 4. One of the reasons why we leave this as an improper fraction is when we eventually substitute it back in, you'll see what's going on the right-hand side. If this stayed as an improper fraction, it makes it really easy to simplify over here, and I'll show you in a second. So here's the proof. Write the original equation unchanged. Okay, we have a fractional amount. Can you predict what's going to happen based on the last problems? We are going to have to turn these parentheses into brackets because there's going to be parentheses inside for where r gets substituted. Additionally, this is a fraction, and we need a space for the numerator and denominator, so we're going to make these 2 lines tall. Okay, so this negative 4 here is still written here. This parentheses, this set of parentheses here is brackets now, and where r was, we're putting in 39/4 here, plus 6. Okay? Now, it might seem to make sense that, well, if this was written as a mixed number, it'd be really easy to add 6 to it. Okay? But let's just see what happens for a second. Okay? I'm going to turn that into this 6 into an equivalent fraction with 4 on the bottom so that they both are fourths and we can add them together. And again, watch what's going to happen. Okay, we can add those together, and we will do that now. We've got negative 4 parentheses 63/4. And what's happening here is that when you multiply by 4, this 4 and this 4 cancel out. Okay, this negative is still here, making this 63 become a negative 63, but those cancel out. Okay, and if it was mixed numbers here and here, you would then have to multiply each part by the whole number by 4 and then the fraction by 4 and convert it again. And I just find it easier to say if they both have 4 on the bottom and we're multiplying by 4, or negative 4 in this case, the 4's will cancel. So the negative is still remaining. Really, this becomes a 1. So negative 1 times 63, negative 63, and that is what was on the other side. So negative 63 equals negative 63, and this problem's done.